Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Sagittarius fire sign, and this reading is from September 1st to September 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Your person current feelings and their near future actions I am doing reading about. So Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings. First we see current feelings, later we see their actions towards you. So 5 of Wands. I think they are thinking about you a lot, Sagittarius. 4 of Swords, they are in resting mode, and yes, they are fighting about with their thoughts. 5 of Wands and 9 of Wands. Yeah, they are acting like guarded, but they want to don't think about you, but they are thinking about you a lot. They are fighting with their thoughts. I am getting 5 of Wands and 9 of Wands. So definitely I think you both are not talking right now. 4 of Swords is here. He is taking rest, thinking, and also fighting with their thoughts. Or for some, there are some disputes between you and your person. So let's clarify. 5 of Wands, 6 of Cups, and 4 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, 5 of Cups. Yeah, they are feeling very strong emotions for you. They have you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. They are juggling between two things, you and their career, or between you both, between two things they are juggling. 5 of Cups. Yeah, right now they are feeling very sad. I think they are not talking to you, that's why they are feeling very sad, or some disputes are happened between both of you, that's why they are feeling very sad. So yeah, they are thinking, I am getting they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see their near future actions towards you from September 1st to September 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and these actions are also based on your situations. 9 of Cups. Wow, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All signs are here. The Lovers. Wow. Hermit. Yeah, I think they are thinking right now. They are in thinking mode, not in action mode. Yeah, 9 of Cups. You are their wish fulfillment. They are wishing for this connection. They are wishing for you. And the Lovers. Yeah, they love you. You love them. The Lovers. This could be you or your person could be Gemini. Yeah, they are spiritually awakening about your connection, about your relationship with each other. So let's clarify 9 of Cups. Yeah, 5 of Swords, 7 of Wands, Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want new beginnings with you, and they want to come towards you, and they want to end the fighting with you. 5 of Swords, sometimes it is also complete the fighting, and they want to leave the fighting. And the 7 of Wands. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. And Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want new beginning. Yeah, they will come towards you, but it will take time. They are spiritually awakening about this connection right now. So let's see about the connection. 3 more cards about the connection from the universe. Where this connection goes ahead. Yeah, 8 of Swords. Right now the connection is stuck. There is no movement between both of you. Both of you are not talking. If you are in talking, there is less talk between both of you. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles. Stability is coming in your connection. Wow, Knight of Wands. Yeah, your person want to come towards you, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. Definitely your person willing to come towards you, but it will take time because they are spiritually awakening. Definitely they will take action right now. You both are in stuck, or the connection is stuck right now. Yes, this connection is going to be stabilized. Definitely your person will come towards you and express their feelings, but they're currently thinking about you a lot. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.